I'm Dan Sweeney from MathSpec Incorporated. In this video, I will describe some minor changes in subformula searching in our rational numbers Excel add-in. For illustration purposes, I have chosen a simple molecule. The data is positive mode fragmentation of methionine. I have already entered the fragment ion masses into the data input form. The main advantage of this new approach is that the limit of 145 characters for the hyperlink to Pubchem no longer is a limitation. Copy this. So first I'll search by formula. We want to do a paste-with transpose. We still need to find the text catch key. Now we can follow that link, and this will basically get all the compounds that have that formula. So there's about 1,100 compounds in Pubchem that have the same formula as the compound that we just got here. Put the text catch key in. So this part is the same as before. The difference is now go to add-ins. This icon was used to start all the forms we need to input the data. This is a icon that if we click on that, it will do the subformula searching. So I'm going to try to copy these. And I'll put it in sheet 1. For subfragment searching, we need these masses. So we can search masses. Paste transpose. I'm going to make this digits. Copy. And I want to go back to Pubchem and use Entras. And colon, paste again. And then we need to do MMAS, colon. So that's described here, how to do a monomolecular or exact, if you will, accurate mass search. Now we need a range because this is just one single mass. So I'm going to take 3 millidaltons off on this side and add 3 here. So I'm going to use a range of plus or minus 3 millidaltons. Okay, and we have 2,510 compounds. Now, a little different, before the other one came up with the text catch string, this thing you have to say view or download. And at the top there is the text string that we would like to have. And now it's the same procedure hits. Copy. Now you'd usually expect more hits, more possibilities if you do a mass search rather than a formula search. But in this case, a very large percentage of the molecules that have the same formula as methionine are labeled with, for example, C13 or deuterium. In order of relevance, so the most relevant compound is methionine here. But they're all very similar, and as far as the matching the mass spectral data, they all look pretty good. Thank you for listening to this video.